Oh, look at this. I got my package. I think I know what that is. Well, that has to be my package from India. Let's check this out. Well, I was hoping to do a video on my Greaves 360 Challenger that I'm working on. You've seen this bike. It was on one of my early what's in the trailer videos, and it hasn't been cooperating. Check out the way the cylinder bolts on. There's a flange here. 8 bolts torque the cylinder to the engine crankcase. So there's studs at the bottom of the cylinder and studs at the top for the head. This is a unique thing. But more on that later. None of the footage came out, so I'll have to catch up on that story. In the meantime, this is supposed to be a chrome replacement fuel tank for my Series 2 Royal Enfield Interceptor, which you also saw on a previous video. And I don't know why they painted the gas tank. It should have been chrome. I don't know what's under that paint. It might be beautiful chrome, it might be Bondo, but it was cheaper to try one of these tanks from India. Now, you've seen these tanks from India. They're all over eBay. And I've heard stories that they're horrible and they don't fit. So we're gonna find out. How bad or good are they really? In today's video. Let's open this up. No indications where it came from on India in the box. On the box, it says Jamaica, New York. Did they pack it well? Wow, it's jammed in there. Taped to the box. These tanks originally, as I understand it, didn't come painted. Not from Royal Enfield, and it's actually a decal that goes there. I ordered the decal from Hitchcock's. Okay, so we got fuel taps, the mounting bracket, which is mine is actually missing. I'm surprised that it's painted, unless I ordered it that way. I'm gonna have to check. Doesn't have the little rubber bushings. That's whacked. Looks like they dropped it there. Yeah. Let's see. So what we're gonna do now, see if I have this thing sorted out. Go for a quick jaunt. Come back, switch the tank, see if it fits, see if it's any good. So here's my original tank. These are the rubber bumpers I forgot to order. Didn't want to strip that, just in case it is original. I doubt it. I think they were all chrome plated. But it has decent patina, whatever it is. For 300 bucks, we'll try it. So I haven't started this since the last video. What was that, a month ago? Oh. Only a tiny bit. Well, we won't go far. Is he on? No choke. Some more tickle. Tickle, tickle. Now, if I recall, I think these are backwards. So it should be one up, I think. Nice crisp transmission. I like the way it shifts. There's Ford. Hey, that's pretty damn nice. Missed the gear there. I don't want to leave Puppy alone. Oh, I forgot the gear pattern again. It's backwards. Ah! Oh, Puppy's doing okay. Hi, Bruno! I gotta get used to that shift pattern. There's a golf cart behind me. Still behind me. Gotta remember, down is up is down. There we go. Good, eh? Alright, so let's swap out that tank and see how it's gonna look. When doing petcocks, getting tired of the washers that leak, the old fiber washers they used to use, aluminum sealing washers, copper, whatever. So now, what I use, I bought a set of these. They're called Dowdy washers. I think it's D-O-U-D-Y. Here they say self-centered bonded seal gasket assortment in metric sizes. See? fuel resistant, oil resistant rubber insert. So you never have to worry about leaks again. Boy, not nuts about those threads. Let's see how well this thing fits. Oh, that worked. Ooh. Yeah, that'll be all right. Well, we gotta see if that holds before we put it on the bike. Oh, that's right. There were two kinds of decals on Royal Enfield. The traditional one, which is these, which would go right about there. And the very last Interceptors had these. So I guess I don't like the looks of that. Do you? I think I'm gonna put the traditional ones on, which you can peel off if you don't like. Let's see how these even go. Much liquid. Wonder if it helps to get the backside of it wet. Yeah. Oh, maybe not. That looks pretty close. That looks a lot like that. It's the best I can do, but I got to do it twice. I don't like this. If you don't like it, use the other sticker. So here's the finished product. I couldn't use my bumpers. I have to get a set of bumpers. I think the mouth is a little bit wider, although you can probably pull it in some more. That's my original stud. There's a bracket under the tank. Doesn't come with screws. They're kind of hard to find the right screws. I'm not nuts about those petcocks, but all in all, I think it turned out nice. How'd my lettering job go? What do you think? Definitely an improvement. And if I ever sell the bike, you get the original tank that goes with it. Now that goes back in the lineup.